assumption is wrong. 1 by root 2 is irrational.
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, 1 by root 2 is irrational.
Irrational.
Hence proved. All of you write the statements, theorem statements. Okay? It carries off mark. Next question. Shall I go to next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is next question? Next question is prove that 7 into root 5 is irrational. Seven into root 5 is irrational. So, what is our assumption?
7 root 5 is rational, ma'am.
Okay, let us assume 7 into root 5 is rational. So 7 into root 5 equal to
P by Q.
P by Q. P and Q are Q not equal to 0.
0. P and Q are co-primes, ma'am.
P and Q any integer
Yes.
and P and Q are co-prime.
Very good. Next step. What is next step?
Squaring on both sides.
Squaring on.
Squaring on both sides.
First.
No, ma'am.
What is first?
7
P by
7
7
root
Q.
5 is
5 is equal
rational.
to P by 7 Q.
7 root 5 is irrational.
7 goes the chain, ma'am.
Root 5 is equal to P by 7 Q.
P
Root
by
5 is
Q
equal to P by 7 Q.
into 1 by 7. Correct?
1 by 7. Yes, ma'am.
So it is P by Q is rational or
Yeah,
irrational?
rational, ma'am.
Rational, ma'am.
Into 1 by 7. Then it is
Ma'am, rational is equal to rational
Rational
into
into rational. Rational into
rational
rational.
into rational.
Into
Rational,
rational.
okay, rational. Rational.
Now we want to root
See.
5. We want to prove
We
that
already solved, correct? Root 5 is irrational. We already know, correct? Before we solved.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? So it is root 5 is what? Irrational.
Irrational.
Irrational. So here
LHS
irrational equal to rational. It means LHS not equal to
Not equal to RHS.
So our assumption is wrong. Okay? You can solve. Root 5 is irrational. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Solved, correct? So you can solve root 5 is irrational. Consider the LHS. Root 5
LHS.
equal to A by B. Okay? Root 5 equal to A by B. Here you get 5 is the common factor of A and B. Then our assumption is wrong. According to theorem 1.3. Okay? Our assumption is wrong. Then root 5 is irrational. Okay? That like you can solve root 5 is irrational. We already solved before some, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. LHS not equal to RHS. Then our assumption is wrong. This is false statement. Our assumption wrong. What is our assumption?
Our assumption is rational, ma'am.
Wrong, ma'am. So it is irrational, ma'am.
So 7 into root 5 is
7 root 5 is irrational.
irrational. Yes, that's proved. Okay? Do you understand this
Okay,
one?
ma'am.
Okay. You can
Yes,
consider this and solve root 5 is irrational. You can prove that one.
Ma'am.
Okay. Next question. Shall I go to next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. What is next question?
6 plus root 2.
6 plus root 2. So what is our assumption?
Ma'am, our assumption is 6 plus root 2 is rational.
Yes, 6 plus root 2 is rational.
Rational.
Okay. 6 plus root 2 equal to 6 plus root 2 equal to what? Say Ram.
Ma'am, P by Q. A by
P by
P by Q,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Q not equal
Q
to
is
Not
not
equal to 0, ma'am.
ma'am.
P is
P
co-prime.
and Q are some integer,
Q
ma'am.
belongs to Z.
P and Q are co-prime, ma'am.
Co-primes.
Co-prime.
Okay. Next step. What is next step?
Ma'am, next step is ma'am 6 go that side, ma'am.
Yes. Root 2
Root 2
is
is equal to
Root 2 is equal to P by Q
P by
2
Q
into 6, ma'am.
2. Not into
plus
Ram.
plus
Plus. See.
So
Ma'am,
minus
minus
6.
ma'am.
minus
Minus P by Q
minus
minus 6.
minus 6, ma'am.
Okay. So what is answer? Take LCM. Or any
Ma'am, P minus 6Q by Q, ma'am.
Q equal
P
to
minus 6Q by Q.
6Q. It
6Q.
is in the form of ratio, correct? P by Q format. So it is rational number, correct?
Rational. Yes, ma'am.
Or rational number minus any integer is rational. Okay?
Rational.
Okay. Rational number. It is rational. Root 2, what is root 2?
Irrational, ma'am.
Root 2 is irrational. Do you understand? Any doubt? Irrational. It means LHS. LHS
Is
not equal to
okay.
RHS.
RHS.
The false statement. So our assumption is right or wrong? Our assumption is okay.
Wrong, ma'am. Ma'am, you want to prove root 2, no, ma'am?
Yes, you want to prove. Root 2 is irrational. Our assumption 6 plus root 2 is rational is wrong. So 6 plus, therefore 6 plus root 2 is irrational. Do you understand? Hence proved. That's all. Here you can consider the LHS. Okay? And you should solve root 2 is irrational. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
All of you can able to solve Ra? So these are already root 5 and root 2 already you have solved so many times, correct? So actually these
Yes, sir.
type of questions, one question definitely will come in every exam. So that is why you all please practice very well. And this exercise is most
Suppose
important.
question is, see this question. Question, root 5, if root 5 is irrational, then prove that 3 plus 4 into root 5 is irrational. So here we need not to prove that root 5 is irrational. Already given, correct? We shouldn't
Yes, ma'am.
prove root 5 is irrational. Do you understand? Already given root 5 is irrational. Do you understand? This type of questions for 2 marks.
Yes, ma'am.
They already given root 5 is irrational. Not given means you have to solve root 5 is irrational. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
So like these questions you can solve now.
And homework questions. Homework. Six plus 2 root 3 is irrational. This is homework question. You can solve and send.
All of you solve this question and send Ra, okay? That's all. So this is all about today's
And we
today's.
need to find root 3 also, man, for this question.
You have to prove this question, right? It is irrational. You have to prove that.
This is for 4
General-
marks.
4 marks. 4 marks. You can solve it.
This
and
is a homework question.
Okay. And
Okay, sir.
for more practice, you can go with R.S. Agarwal. Do you understanding all of you?
Yes, sir.
So this is all about the today's class. So this will stop.